How to delete all retweets on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete all retweets on Twitter app. Now it's quite basic and simple. If you open up Twitter app here and head into your profile, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and then head into your profile option, and here you'll be able to see your retweets here. However, what you need to know is there is no option to delete all retweets at once on Twitter. You'll have to delete them one by one. To delete it, what you want to do is tap on the retweet icon that you can see at the green now here. Once you retweet it, the retweet icon will be shown in green color here, you can see on the screen. Simply tap on it and you'll get the option to undo retweet, and simply tap on it and your retweet will be deleted. Now similarly on the other retweet, you can again tap on the retweet option there, icon there, and then tap on undo retweet and your retweet will be deleted. Now this is the only way you can delete your retweet. There are other third-party apps and websites that can delete your retweet all at once, but I will not recommend you to use it because it might be a greater risk for your account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.